If you want to stop sharing your location on your iPhone, it's super easy. I'm going to walk you through 3 different options that you have so that they will not know if you're stopping sharing that location. Now, the first thing we're going to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone, and you can just toggle on airplane mode. Now, this is your first option, but it's not a great option because if you stop sharing your location by turning on airplane mode, it'll essentially just say, hey, they can't find their location, and it will give them a notice. And of course, in this case, you won't be able to use your iPhone normally. So that's not a great option. Let's walk through the second option, which is a bit better. Within the settings still, we're going to scroll down, tap on Privacy and Security, and then tap on Location Services. Now at the top, tap on Share My Location, and you can see Find My iPhone and Share My Location is toggled on. However, if I toggle this off, again, it will no longer share my location with that person. But again, when they go to see my location, it'll just say unavailable. So this isn't a great option as well, but it will work in a pinch. I'm going to show you the third option that's a bit better. So let's leave this on for right now. And instead of that, let's hop out of here and then take your finger and swipe down and type in Find My. And then just tap on the Find My app here. It usually defaults to people or devices, but you're going to tap on Me at the bottom right. And now when you scroll down, you can see it says My Location, Share My Location, which is toggled on, and that's perfect. And it says sharing from this iPhone. So essentially what you want to do is if you have another device that's an Apple device, like a MacBook Pro or an iPad or an old iPhone, you're essentially going to turn off Share My Location from this iPhone, but you're going to sign into the exact same Apple account and turn on Share My Location from the other device. Essentially, that means the other device will track your location. And when you're ready for this device to track your location again and share it, you can always just toggle that back on. And now it's as if you've never left the house if you leave that iPhone, iPad, or whatever at home. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about your iPhone, check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. Thanks for watching.